Hey there, this is Miss Lowe, and let's practice for our end of the year assembly song together. The song is called An Old Irish Blessing. Please practice singing with Miss Lowe and practice the hand motions as well. Let's go. At the end, make sure that we keep our sparkling fingers pointing at our 5th graders and sending them off with a wonderful summer. All right, let's practice again. You can do it.